Okay, we have to do practical for AS path. I think I have configured IP here. So I have to run BGP. Accordingly, I'll configure first the topology we have to create. So router BGP network. First of all, we make a neighbor 11.1.1.2. Remote is 1. Network 11.1.1.0. Mask router BGP1 neighbor 11.1.1.1. Remote is neighbor 12.1.1.1. Remote is neighbor 16.1.1.1. Remote is 4. Data is network also. So network 11.1.1.0. Mask network router BGP2 neighbor 12.1.1.2. Remote is 1. Neighbor 13.1.1.2 network 12.1.1.0 enter network 13.1.1.0 mask enter. So as we also configured what we have seen is the reachability. Router BGP to neighbor 13.1.1.1 remote OS to neighbor 14.1.1.1 remote OS 3 okay and the network 14.1.1.0 mask R4 is also configured R5. Router BGP neighbor 41.1.2 is and neighbor 18.1.1.2 remote is okay and network 14.1.1.0 and so IP interface with loopback also we have to advertise the network 15.1.1.0 mask. Okay, there also have configured R6 and router BGP source neighbor 16 18.1.1.2 remote AS neighbor dot two remote AS network 16.1.1. Now R7 router BGP4 neighbor 17.1.1.1 remote AS 4 neighbor 18.1.1.1 remote AS network 17.1.1.0 network 18.1.1.0. So let me check whether the routes are there or not. Show IP route. I think everything is there. We just need to check the reachability. Ping the 15.1.1.1 and just pinging successful. Okay, now we'll do some manipulation. We'll see first of all on R2. Go to R2 and check show IP BGP. In this table, we need to see if they will show them. Not showing two paths. R6. Which path is this not showing? R2. It is saying next hop is 12.1.1.1, so R6. To show IP interface B. So, to show BGP it has two neighbor, one is active 17.1.1.2. Okay, let's see R7. The command I gave show IP interface B. Oh, no IP is given. The interface F0/0 no chat IP address 17.1.1.2 interface F0/1 no chat IP address 18.1.1.2 So, okay. So IP BGP now should actually show here 18.1.1.2 everything is fine. Both are neighbors. Both are neighbors. Check the R2 now. Okay, now the best path is 16.1.1.1. This taking because of some reason which I'll let you know in the last when attribute numbering I'll give. Right now, what I need is it is showing the best path is 12.1.1.1. How would I know? This is the indication. Okay, if suppose you will ping also, you will see it will go by 12.1.1.1. It is going by this path. Now, what I want is it should go from this. So we can change the AS path. So what we have to do is we have to prepend the AS number. Whatever theoretical we did last time to increase the AS path so that the lowest AS will be supported. So on R2, IP BGP, if you will notice 15, this is 2 AS path 2. Now you want that 16 should be taken. So the 12.1.1 I have to increase the AS path. Okay, so what I will do, go to R3, access list 1, permit 15.1.1.0 and 0.0.0.255, enter. Route map is path permit 10. Match IP address. We have tried set AS path and now I can say 10, 20, 30. Exit. Now go to router BGP 2. One second. Already it is taking, I have given wrong actually. Already I think okay 12.1.1 is best. Okay 16 I have then I'm right. So go to R3 back neighbor. Neighbor is 12.1.1.2. Route map AS path, the name what I gave for route map outbound. Okay, and AS path we can apply only on outbound only. So what you have to do is you have to go here and do route refresh. There IP, BGP, star. You will notice now what is the best path 16.1.1. This is he prepared the AS path. But then after this, I got my whatever is required, I got that. But the problem is they are saying do not take any random AS path. You getting my point? 10, 20, 30. Now it could be a possibility, as I've told you, if any other AS will check the update, if it will see in that update its own AS path, it will create a loop. So it will drop the packet. So maybe you are giving a random leap, but maybe other AS is 10. At that time, that particular 10 AS won't accept the update because in the update, he will see its own AS path. So he's thinking that the duplicate information is getting. So I can show you an example also, like what I will do. I'll go to router BGP. No, I have to go to route map. Route map, AS path, permit 10, match IP address 1, set AS path, repend. Now, what they are saying, what you have taken 10, 20, 30, do not use this. Suppose I will use 1. You will notice that path won't come in a picture, but it will come as a loop avoidance. I'll show you what I'm saying. If you will notice what is the AS path of the other where update is going 1, if I'll say 1, 1, 1, you will notice this route won't be installed now. After this, because it will see its own AS1, you will in update, he will see its own AS, done, packet drop. You will notice, first of all, it is still showing. Let me change it. Oh, I have not done the appropriate change. I don't know where I did actually. On R4, I think I have done. Somewhere in the wrong router I did. See this here I did on the wrong router. So I'll change it. No to route map. Go to R3 and manipulate. That was a mistake what I did. Route map. The manipulation what I did I have to remove. And I just wanted to show you. If I will take 1, 1, 1, what will happen now? This is not accepting from 15, he's not accepting from 12.1.1.1 because it's creating a loop. So what actually they are saying, make see AS path 2 on 2 you are doing, make all 2, 2, 2. I'll show you. What actually the best practice they are saying, do not take any random. On whatever AS path you are doing, write down that particular AS path. Repend 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Enter. Show IP BGP. You will notice now it is showing 22222. So I hope this is AS path what you understood. Okay, one more thing I'll show you again in that loop situation. I'll put that in a loop situation. So here what I will do no, and I will do again set AS path prevent 111. So now on R2 soft, okay, you will notice again that route is not installed. But if suppose you want to install your own AS path in an update, if you want to see, like in some situation, we need that, okay, it is showing my AS path, but I need this route. So what we will type at that time, neighbor, my neighbor is 12.1.1.1. We have to type this command called allow AS in, meaning if I will see the same, what is this saying, AS path in an update, I will accept. So you will notice now, right now, if you will notice, see this, it is showing the same update also. So IP BGP, see this, all 111 it is showing, which is normally not possible. Okay, so this is your AS path. Let me remove. Now, next, as I have explained you about the origin code also, that we have I, we have E, we have question mark, means in that redistribution. So this is like, this is called I, the learning via IB, BGP only. E I have told you is obsolete. Question mark is when you do redistribution. So now I'll show you the practical on this. So now let's see the update. Let me do clear. Test path is 16.1.1.1. Again, I want that 12 should be the best path. This is I. Okay, I'll make this 16 as E. So I will become best. So 12.1.1 will become best. Right now 16 is best. So I'll go to R6. Okay, I'll go to R6. Here we have to do manipulation. Access list 1, permit route map. I will give origin, permit 10, match IP address 1, and set origin to CGP 100. Suppose I want to put E route, make it E route so that other will become best. So E has less precedence than I. The route map, one is origin, permit 20, and router BGP2 or it is 4 active. Router BGP4 neighbor 16.1.1.2 route map origin outbound applied. So we'll see this clear. Show IP BGP. You will notice the E route and E has lesser precedence, so I become best route 12.1.1. Now, if you want again that I want that 16 should be the best route, what I will do, I will make 12 as a question mark. Okay, so it will be interesting. So what I'll do, I'll go to R3. Okay, so access list 1 permit 15.1.1.0.0.0.0.55. So where I have a mistake. Oh, this is a mistake. Enter. Okay, now route map origin permit 10 match IP address set origin I will say incomplete. Enter. Okay, exit. Route map other traffic. I do not want to change the origin. Only for this traffic origin should be permit 20. Now router BGP 2 neighbor 12.1.1.2 route map origin outbound. Now we'll do IP BGP. You will notice question mark. Now E become best. See? Now one more thing I'll show you how to redistribute. Normally, how to redistribute with route map. So one more thing I'll teach you extra. So on R6, I'll create one interface loopback here. Interface loopback IP address goes 100 or 100 or 100 not 100 enter. Okay, and what I will do, I will redistribute this with route map. So we can learn this part also. Route map loopback name is loopback of route map permit 1 and match interface loopback 0 and router BGP4 redistribute connected route map called loopback because it is connected to me redistributed. This is another way of doing redistribution. Okay, so if you will check R2, show IP BGP, you will notice one question mark route will be there. It is saying origin is redistributed. See, this is origin is you are learning from BGP only. I mean, E means eBGP, which is obsolete. Question mark means redistribution. So nowadays we have two things, I and question mark. If you are learning, this is I you will find everywhere. Right here, this I means you are learning from IBGP. If suppose you will notice, this is my local route. 11 is my local route. 12, 13, 14, 15, you won't see this I because this is not my local route. Okay, these I have learned from somewhere, not directly connected to me. Yeah. So your first section of attribute is over. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do the other part of attribute. Now well-known discretionary we have to do. That we will do tomorrow.